Hello, great Biafrans, lovers of freedom all over the world. You're welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending your location. All right, our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu court trials, starts today, and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu appears in court as usual to defend himself. So the court has given, Omotosho has given Mazen Nnamdi Kanu up to Friday, which is 5th of November, Friday, to defend, to open his defense. But Mazen Nnamdi Kanu still maintained that no valid charges existing against him under Nigerian law. So therefore, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu said that he's not opening any defense. But the judge, Omotosho, gave him on the 5th of November, which is tomorrow, up to tomorrow, to open his defense, or else he should fortify his charges. That means they will truculate the case and they maybe lock Mazen Nnamdi Kanu or decide on Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's fate tomorrow. We don't know how this thing will go. The Federal High Court in Abuja on Tuesday gave the leader of Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, until Friday to defend the terrorism charges filed against him or risky fortifying his right to do so. The trial judge, Justice James Omotosho, advised Kanu to consult legal practitioner experienced in the criminal law to assist with his defense or to formally appoint a lawyer to represent him in court. Justice Omotosho's decision followed Kanu's continued refusal to open his defense, insisting that there was no valid charges pending against him. Kanu, who represented himself Tuesday, proceeding told the court that he will not return to detention unless the charges against him were properly presented. He urged that his continued detention by the Department of the State Service was unlawful, maintaining that he had not breached any known law. He also accused the court of disregarding the Supreme Court judgment, which, according to him, condemned his extraordinary rendition from Kenya. He demanded that the trial judge immediately discharge him from custody. When reminded that Supreme Court had ordered a fresh trial, Kanu maintained his position that the terrorism charges against him was invalid and incompetent. Citing Section 3612 of the 1999 Constitution, he argued that there was no existing law creating terrorism offense in Nigeria. The Nigerian today, the Constitution is the supreme law. There is no valid charges against me. I will not go back to detention today. The Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act has been repealed. I cannot defend myself. I cannot defend myself under a repealed law, Kanu said. He further challenged any law to show him a valid charge, urging the court to take judicial notice of what he claimed was the repeal of the terrorism law. I cannot be tried under a law that has been repealed. Prosecuting me under such a law is a violation of my fundamental right, he insisted. After several attempts to persuade him to enter his defense, Justice Omotosho adjourned proceeding until November 2025, giving Kanu the final opportunity to either defend the charge or fortify his right to do so. During the Section Council of the Federal Government, Awolomo informed the court that some documents served on him by court was unsigned and not endorsed by the court, arguing that they held no evidential value. And wow, this thing is getting Kelego. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is still insisting, telling them that he has no case to answer. For that, he's not even opening he's not opening his defense. So during that argument in court, as usual, exchange of words in court, the judge, Omotosho, adjourn the case till tomorrow, giving Mazi Nnamdi Kanu November 5th, which is tomorrow, to open his defense or fortify his right to do so. So this is very, very difficult. Now, what does this mean? If tomorrow comes, which is 5th, Kanu still maintain that he has no case to answer in court, that means either they will close the court, jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or they free him. Like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, that they should release him because he has no case. Even under Nigeria law constitution, he has no case, valid charge against him. And he said, according to the exchange, he said, I will not go back to detention today. The terrorism presumption, that's the laws, or they should show him any offense that he has committed. They should prove it to him that he has no case to answer. So why are telling him to open his defense and all that? Jesus Christ. This is not funny at all. This is not funny at all. You know? So if tomorrow, which is 5th, like we said, we don't know how this thing will happen. We don't know what's gonna play out tomorrow, because the judge, Omotosho, has decided to adjourn the case till tomorrow, giving Mazi Nnamdi Kanu time to either consult his lawyer to make a decision or open his defense by himself, since he has decided to defend himself according to the lawyer, according to the judge. Since you have decided to, defend yourself, you open your case or you consult a lawyer to defend you till tomorrow. If you don't do that tomorrow, that means you're going to forget about everything, this case. So decision will be made by them tomorrow, or they will adjourn it to decide on what they will do to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the way it is, he's still maintaining court, telling them that he has no case. So for that, he's not opening any defense. That the judge, the Nigerian court, should show him what offense he has committed. So he still maintain that no way. I'm not going to open any defense, insisting that there was no valid charge pending against him. So, this thing is risky. We'll see what's going to happen tomorrow. We'll stop here. Bye.